Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to turn on mic on Poppo Live Party. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live account. The next thing is to click at the go icon found after the explore page or home page. Just click on the go icon. So on my go icon, I'm going to see the option for party, and a different kind of party is going to pop out. You just have to select the particular party I want to join. You can see the party for make a friend, you can see game, you can see make a friend. So you just select the particular party you want to join. So on this party, you can see that we have a whole lot of seats here that has not been grabbed. We have 2 seats already that has not been grabbed. Let me just grab my own seat here. See an icon like this showing that it's not turned on. A straight line will be cancelling it. So in order to turn it on, you just have to click on it and it will be turned on. So guys, I hope this video was helpful.